salt spray only entries in your home, the results are immediate and amazing. It is one of the elements that are never lacking in the kitchen since ancient times. While for centuries was considered a good and a fortune, today you can get salt at very affordable rates. There are many indications against the indiscriminate use of sodium chloride for food because it results in hypertension, kidney problems and fluid retention. However, it can be a great ally in household cleaning, so if the doctor forbade you consume salt, fail to use it to clean. Repels ants. From now on you're going to include salt in your life, not only as an ingredient in your favorite foods, but as a wonderful ingredient for cleaning and optimization of your home. Without further ado, we leave you everything you need to know about salt. If you have problems with ants in your home, worry no more, because with just a little salt, place where they have attacked these insects, and we assure you that you will never know anything about them. If you have problems of moisture, if you feel very humid atmosphere in your home and you worry because it will not damage your wooden furniture or worse to oxidize all you have metal, do not be bitter over life. With a little salt in your home will reduce moisture. Just put salt where you see that there is more moisture. Care of the platy. All we care for our silverware as our own life. But with the passing of the years these will tainting slowly and gradually lose their shine, so stop having this very beautiful tone that everyone dazzled by what we recommend a mixture based on salt. This mixture leads vinegar and salt, which upon contact with silver and other metals, along with the help of a brush, achieved it completely remove stains and restore shine. If you grant us like one I like and share is very important to us.